Hello YouTube, guess what I got by Amazon today, guys? My favorite U.S. non-spinner championship. Non-spinner championship. Look at this board right here. It looks very ugly as fuck. And the plate being like that. I already got the Royal Heavyweight Champion. I just gonna get the Intercontinental Champion. And they show you the direction. And then the box right there. Holy shit. There go the box right there, guy. I just what this is the packing review by Amazon. Alright. Got this hand just I got my brother, he unboxed his United States Championship. Now I'm finna do mine. Enjoy the scissors right here, guys. Alright, the United States look very cool. See the plate band and stuff. And the girl, the Royal Heavyweight Champion. And the Intercontinental, they're my last battle, okay? I ordered this on Friday and it shipped out Saturday and should come Monday. I thought it would never come. So yeah, let's unbox this package. Alright. Yeah, this is United States. Alright. Let's unbox this package, guys. Let's go, guys. I'll be waiting for it. Alright, guys. Alright, guys. Alright, guys. Hold on. Don't get rushed. Got all day. Hold on. That's all, folks. Yep, that's good. Unboxing done, guys. You can see this? Yep. Alright, that's the blow. I ain't gonna show the back of it. Okay, there go the box. God, you can see the new United States champion. Yeah, guys. Brand new. Came from Amazon, unboxed it. Yeah, guys. Look at this. Right here. Pretty flexible. Alright, now, here we go. Flip it over, guys. Here we go, guys. Wow, guys. The United States champion. Yeah, look. Pretty, wonderful, great, guys. Got the star. Yeah, guys. WWE logo here. Royal Wrestling Entertainment, United States champion. Then got a nameplate. There got the extra side plate, the blue star. Yeah. Then the long yellow leather. Leather here. Very flexible. This is similar to leather. That look like the Royal Heavyweight champion. It's still not flexible yet, but yeah. Simple plate. A little bit small, but who cares? United States champion. Alright, guys. Let's show on my shoulder. Hold on, guys. This is a beauty, guys. The United States champion. this is what the plate been. The plate is bending, guys. I love this stuff, guys. It's not that heavy, but yeah. Cause see the plate bend, no cracks. See. United States champion. Nice clean belt, guys. That's how I feel. It feels hell on my waist. Yeah, guys. My belt. Yeah, I'm finna end this video, guys. I'm gonna stay unboxing. Peace out, guys. Love you all. Believe in the shield.